So here's a Super Beetle, 75. Got to put the engine back in this thing and then do some basic maintenance and then sell it. I don't want to keep it. I have too many projects. Just got to put the engine back in that and then clean it up. And after that's done, I'm gonna do the Notchback. It's got a little rust, as you can see, just a little bit, nothing major, but it's complete, which is good. It's got all the little things it needs. So that's why I bought it, because it's pretty much complete, besides the stuff the rust ate. Pretty solid. Door, it's a little tough. The engine's all there, just a little rust. But it's my baby. That'll be one of the big projects